purpose of this video is to educate homeowners on the proper use of their safety pull cord feature on their garage door opener. For detailed instructions, always refer to your owner's manual before attempting to operate or make any adjustments to your garage door opener. Do not attempt to modify your pull cord by cutting it or by tying it. Avoid pulling or yanking on the pull cord to prevent property damage or personal injury. To disengage the trolley, gently pull straight down on the pull cord. This will allow you to manually operate the garage door. To reconnect the trolleys, simply realign the outer trolley with the inner trolley and it will automatically engage. Another option is you can press your garage door wall button and the two trolleys will realign. The lockout mode keeps the trolley from re-engaging automatically. To do this, simply pull straight down and back. The spring on the trolley will be extended, indicating lockout mode. To disengage the lockout mode, simply pull straight down on the pull cord and the spring will retract, indicating lockout mode is disengaged. For Genie openers, simply pull forward on the pull cord to disengage and pull back to re-engage the trolley. We hope you found this video informative and useful. As always, contact your local Easy Lift Door company to assist you in all of your garage door needs.